Hi guys, today we can show you Stylo. The model is 221. We not found battery in the market, so we can put any universal battery. You check first voltage, phone voltage, how many volt the phone take it, and how many ampere and voltage for the battery. You can combination both of them is the same battery. You can install it. Don't put for, if the phone have a 4 voltage, you can install 4 voltage battery. Don't install 5 voltage, then your phone will be damaged. It is your own risk, so don't blame us. Check nicely step by step how to be installed. You installed very same condition. I can show you in the meter how to install the batteries. Check it here. I show you in meter how many ampere. First you check positive or negative. Okay, you see is a positive, and look it here. When the meter show you alarm, meaning of is grand join is be negative. If the meter show you this is straight is B, is reading is coming. When reading is coming is B positive. You see how is a positive. When is alarm show alarm is a, because is a join together. Okay, in the next step, okay, now you can turn on your meter into the voltage. Look it here, is be V. Where is V? Is be seeing of reading of me voltage. So now we reading of voltage. Okay, simple and very easy. Look it here, you see the reading show you is battery voltage is be 390 or 4. Okay, now you can see in reading also in the phone is 3 or 4. Don't put high ampere or high voltage batteries. You can first without battery install for charging cable, and you can see reading now. You see reading is come with the 490. Look there, you see same to the battery. Look there, not high voltage. Look, and don't put high voltage battery, you can damage your phone. Look it here, you see now is 0 start again. Look it here, you see. So it's very easy step to install a battery now. Okay, look it here, we join a cable, positive, middle cable and negative. Okay, we check before here. Look there, join here. Yes, look it here now. We already join it, and we want to be, look here, start charging. Okay, phone is okay. Thank you. Subscribe the channel and press icon button to watch next video. The phone is switched on now. 100% is a solution. If you not found any battery, you can take it. Don't take over 4 voltage. You can take under 4 voltage battery and install. in the any phone. This solution for the any phone. Thank you very much.